If you've been a business owner who thought SEO is dead, it's not working anymore, I got news for you. I'm telling, we're getting inquiries. As soon as we bounce into the SEO agency in London, the first page Dinesh and me was talking, Codistar is coming. I was like, ooh, business owners warning. And that means for SEO guys, also it's going to be good time. And for the business owners, now what's going to happen? With the Google ranks change, AI took over. So many places you need to be able to rank, not just on Google, Grok, ChatGPT, Bing. All those tools are places that people are going to ask and talk. Voice search is really big. It used to be, but it really took over. People can just go to Perplexity and ask for give me a same-day rubbish removal company because I have this rubbish and I'm based in Beckton and I want it to be clear tomorrow on a Saturday morning. So tell me in a suggestion. So these AI tools are really taking place and voice searches are really taking place, and it's only going to go up. Like young generation, the future generations are going to come, are going to literally talk and say, I want this and that to be done. Find me a plumber who's 24/7, who can come to my place in Beckton by the park and do me the job. Find me anything. So the content strategy, how you feed the content. We've been testing at ClickDo what kind of a content, what's actually picking up, and also the schema. Kasun and Sikos is expert at it. We tested a new page, SEO hosting, how we actually bought it so fast to the first page of Google for SEO hosting. Quite a competitive keyword to for Seekohost to provide certain SEO hosting for multiple IP related hosting. When these things are working, that means it's just still working. It's just evolving. It's getting smarter. A lot of shuffles are happening. Google is testing different things. AI tools are going to test and they're dynamic. We are also in the process of identifying how to exactly go and try to get as high as possible ranks and for voice search, especially on ChatGPT. On Grok. Grok is in a place that people can literally talk and say I want this to be done and find me the top 2 places where I must stay. Find me a tattoo parlor in East London where I could get a tattoo like this. You can things are going to get really, really, really smart. And SEO industry, the SEO market is going to be really big. That's how I would see the SEO marketplace. It's going to be big, more opportunities for the SEO players in the industry who are doing SEO consultancy, and for the business owners, gonna be a lot of work because you can't just rank on Google, and because you used to be a top 3 on Google, ain't gonna just get your phone ringing, not getting to be selling all the time as it used to be, because your market, your buyers, your customers are gonna go off to various places. So even if you're dominating Google and being on the top of the Google, now it's gonna be you got to be able to rank on the search platforms, specifically the AI tools, which people are going to literally talk. When a person wants a locksmith, he's going to talk on the phone and tell, find me a locksmith for my house in this place, in Canary Wharf, in this postcode. With the location service, it will actually know when you say my house. Like when I say for the Google, especially Apple Intelligence, I'll say open the Google Maps to my house. That's how things have evolved, and it's only getting better. People are going to be, so the search engine industry, SEO industry is going to be big. So for SEO consultants, going to be good. Who's going to innovate? Who's going to learn? Who's going to build the most smartest content marketing strategies to help trigger the ranks are going to have so much opportunity. That's how things are about to evolve and take off for the next several years. More platforms, which means the markets are booming. So this is why I've been always a firm believer when people are crying about jobs are going to be gone for AI. No, more jobs are going to come. People who are smart with AI, people who can play the game to facilitate the market needs are going to have tremendous opportunities. So maybe it could be you've been working at Google or Microsoft or Amazon and you've been working at the tech giants and doing quite a considerable job and you lost the job. Now what's going to happen? You have got an opportunity to go home and sit and work at your own terms and make more money. That's what I decided to do 10 years ago when I decided, okay, I'm just don't want to sit in an office. I want to do something else and cater for businesses, be it more front and glamorous to be able to work as a nomad deal entrepreneur, travel the world, be right now in London on my work pad, and these opportunities I created. So for people who thought they lost their job. There's going to be so many opportunities opened up because the business owners, millions of business owners in the world are going to ask for so many services. They want more. Just they're not going to be satisfied with just one human edited video. They want more videos from more channels, more videos that could rank and pick up better on not just YouTube, but on Rumble, also on Grok for long form videos. All those things happen. So people just upload a video on YouTube or on Facebook and wait. Now, no, they want to be a mini channel. They know AI tools are picking up and listening. It can listen and identify what brands are being spoken over and what the brands are getting a ton of this brand mentions. These are going to be the ones that's going to show up with these voice tools, AI tools, when people talk and ask, like when people at home connect to Apple Intelligence and when you're going to speak. So the brand mentions are going to be big. So the brands that's going to be getting the service, getting customers is the businesses that build a brand. So opportunities are going to be enormous. More people have to be learn and be skilled to cater into that market, and these are always creating more opportunity. That's how the world we can happen. Back in the days, just as a farmer, you're the farmer. More people are depending on it. Right now, in a family, so many people are breadwinners, so they bring a lot of money home. And in the future, the people will have more opportunity. That's how it's going to happen. I just recorded a video about self-driving cars, how many opportunities it's going to create for a driver, because right now a driver who's just driving a one car can buy or lease a bunch of self-driving cars and lease 3 or 5 of at the same time while he's at the home, he or she at the home, doing something also productive and looking at other incoming making strategies, maybe spending some time with the family, maybe saving up some money on that caretaker that they have to pay to look after their kids because they have to be driving before. But right now, the vehicles are working and making the money, and they're at home just doing something else productive while even thinking what more opportunities can be done. The world is going to be always evolving and going. That fear factor, the news and the media and some, because the fear is important also to push the people and keep under control. But if you look beyond the fear, how many opportunities are coming with these rising technologies, it's just going to be more needed. So videographers might felt a little risky, and they've been oh, what if like actually my work will be done? No, you have in a videography advantage. You can now execute more. As I said, business owners which needs to be marketed now need omni-channel marketing. They want so many promotional items to be done, media to stand out in their crowded marketplace. So that's why data centers are taking over left and right. That's why Seeker Host is really gunning, and what else we can cater to the worldwide and who need to store their data. One people back in the days most probably built a one block. And over the years, some people who built 10 went to 100 and some had thousands. Agents are building thousands of blocks because now they can use AI tools and produce more content, which means they can produce more blogs, which became better for Seekohost to provide more multiple IP hosting. So opportunities are only becoming more, and the people who think it that I can learn it and cater to the market are going to be always winners. So it's going to be quite good times for people who are going to be thinking this is opportunities at scale. It's going to be the way it's going to be. So going back to the SEO side of things, to conclude, SEO is not dead. It just became so much more. If you're an SEO consultant, dude, this is the time to put in and learn how to rank on all those places, because this is the owners now who used to rank and cemented on the top because their leads are down. Now when you pitch, you can actually rank and show a case study. I can get you on different channels, different AI tools. They're like, yo, let's get it going. I want to be prepared. So SEO market is just going to be bigger. Search engine, search market, I would say. It's not just a normal old school Google or Bing. More search mediums are going to pop up, and you need to be able to rank and help business bank, and business owners needs to understand that they need to rank to bank because they can't just be limited to one place. So gonna be exciting times. I'm gonna come more videos at ClickDo as well as in Seeker Host, more videos about the SEO, which is the industry that I got started back then and became a consultant and changed my life and the way I work and build a business and create a bunch of jobs. I'll see you, okay, next video.